Hi guys, welcome to this short video about how to create CSV exports for major cryptocurrency exchanges. So we are close to the next tax deadline, and probably a lot of cryptocurrency traders are now trying to extract the trades from their exchanges, and depending on the solution which you are choosing, it can be a little bit more easy or a little bit more difficult. Here I'm showing you this example from CryptoTrader.tax. It's not a solution which I've been picking. I have been picking the bear tax, but I mean, they have all their advantages and disadvantages. And so one thing to show you that is really great on CryptoTrader.tax. As a sample, we can, let's go to Changely, and then we go to import trades, and we can see what we can do. Here we have some API keys, which is really good. So if we don't have API keys like for other exchanges, let's say Cryptopia, then they have usually a guide. So that's here, you click on that and you see a guide. That's really awesome. And I like that in CryptoTrader.tax. The only bad thing is it's a little bit complicated if you want to use that. I mean, if you have another solution and you want just to know how the export, how export work on a specific exchange, you can log into CryptoTrader.tax and make a free account, and then click on that and you will get the instructions. But there's even a more an easier way, and that's the tokentax.co. So here on this site we have a really nice description of almost all export CSV export functions on all cryptocurrency exchanges. You can see there are so many on one page. You don't have to log in, you don't have to make an account, you don't have to do crazy things, and it's even clickable. So actually, I mean, here for example Gate.io, you can just click on this link here and you will be guided to the site where you can do the export, or here's obviously called import whatsoever. And of course you will have to log in on your exchange with your credentials, but at least it is super easy, and it almost covers every exchange which I really know. So I will put down the link to this site with the really nice link into the description. Also the CryptoTrader.tax, which requires a login but has even the nicer things, but it's a little bit more complicated, but it even has some pictures. And I will also put down the link to bear tax, which I've been choosing. If you have quite some trades, I think it's the best value. It has great support and it has been working really great so far. I have not finished yet, but so far it's really good. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.